Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I just recorded this video and this is the second time trying to record it because my stupid memory card is out. So yeah, so what I was doing was switching of the bags today since I haven't done that in a while. So what I'm just going to do instead is show you what's in my bag. This is a requested video from one of my subscribers and I thought, hey, you know what, why not? Why not do it, because I haven't done it yet with this bag. But yeah, I have a couple of news things for you and a small unboxing, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get right on into it. This is my Dooney & Bourke Florentine Libby Hobo in the color denim. And I've been loving this, by the way. The leather, like I said, is really soft, really sumptuous, kind of like somebody had really conditioned it like a lot, but it's great. Sorry about the noise. There's a helicopter overhead from the hospital, so excuse the noise. And sorry that it's backlit, it's just the setup that I have today, but I will make sure you can see the inside. I decided to add this keychain, my new cherry one from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It goes with a ton of my bags, especially my Greta bags. I got a compliment on it the other day. So yeah, let's open it up. I just switched out from my Dooney & Bourke Zip Satchel in the Greta novelty print, and we'll show you what's inside. Okay, so let me grab the camera so you can see it correctly. Okay, so that's my setup. I know it looks like a mess, but I've got tissues in the back pocket, but I'll just pull out the stuff so you can see it better. Okay, so I got tissues. I have my Dollar Tree pen. Love that. And also in the back pocket is my hand sanitizer. I love this. This is the strawberry scented hand spray from Joann's Fabrics. And then I just have a little first aid kit. My wet ones in the scent lemon, I'm pretty sure. Put those back. That's in the back zipper pocket. In the main compartment is my Dooney & Bourke Florentine Continental Clutch in the same color, denim. Love this. And then I have in the main compartment my Coach eyeglasses case, or sunglasses. I think that's just what it's called. But yeah, I love this. Love it. Main compartment, I also have my hairbrush. And I have my mask, which I get compliments on all the time. And I have my Estee Lauder lip gloss, goes in the front slip pocket. And then I have a MAC lipstick, which I also love. And then my phone goes in the main compartment. So, oh, and also this is just a navy blue velvet cosmetic case from Lancome. I'm going to use that as a catch-all, but I don't know yet what I'm going to put in there. But yeah, so that's what's in my bag, and like I said, still have some room for a little bit more stuff. I've had a good carry with this. It's been nothing but great because it's so pliable, so it can like fit against your body really nicely. So I love that. And then this is gonna be my little, which I already unboxed, you know, my previous video that you didn't get to see, but this is the Dooney & Bourke Duck Key Fob. I love this. I've seen other people on YouTube that have this. I never got a chance to get it because it's not always on the site, but go get it right now. They brought back some of the old bags on ilovedooney.com. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Sometimes I do that when I'm talking forever. But anyways, so this is it. It is so pretty. So let me bring the camera closer for you. Okay, here it is, the key fob. And it's 2 inches long. And it just says DB right here. It's got a little eyes for the duck. I love this. Yeah, this is just so cute. I just love the shape of it. I think I'm gonna use it on with my keys, maybe. But it also looks good on all of my bags. Love it. So basically, what I wanted to tell you guys as well, again, sorry for the backlight, but I already showed you what's in there, is since like I said in my last video, that I realized I have so many bags now. They're just totally taking over my storage area. and I don't have enough space really now for a lot of them. So I'm having to decide to pare down on some of them, which is totally fine. I've had some for many years now, and that's just what I do. Same with, you know, one of the people I subscribe to, she does the same thing. So I will tell you guys about it. I've already sold one, unfortunately, which you guys might be disappointed about, is my Judy & Burke Florentine micro satchel in the color denim. And the reason why I sold is because I just realized it's just way too small for me, even for me. Like, just kind of getting in and out of the bag can be kind of difficult, but it does work. Like, I would say it's doable, but not exactly. And so, you know, I just decided to sell it. I only used it like twice, so go figure. If you only use a bag twice, think about selling it. That's probably a good indication for selling it. So what I'll do is I'll show you what I'm going to sell now. Okay, I haven't decided 100%, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to put this on my, so it's going to be on my Poshmark account, is my Judy & Burke Greta Novelty Zip Satchel. And here it is. And it's in the color Brown Tomorrow. And I'm not going to go too in depth. It's in pretty good condition, you guys. The only thing that is like really slightly wrong with it, which is not too bad, is kind of here on the handles. There's a little bit of a dark mark here and here. But I noticed that on my other Greta Zip Satchel, same thing, and that's when I got it from Dillard's. And then I have the original strap. It's in my storage. But yeah, it's really cute, in excellent condition, you guys. I don't beat up my bags or anything, and I need to clean that out from my switching the bags. So yeah, the other one that I'll show you right now that I'm gonna sell is my Judy & Burke Shiny It, or DB75 crossbody with the matching wristlet too. I've only used this thing, I want to say maybe 3 times, so it's in excellent condition. So here's the back. And if you guys are interested, I'll tell you my Poshmark account name. But yeah, I'm going to upload photos on there so you can see in depth what they look like and what condition they're in. This one's in like almost pristine. So, but you'll be able to see the photos on there. So my username is NF. So it's NF, N is in Nancy, F is in Frank, PDX, so P is in Paul, then D is in David, and then X 556, and that's my username on Poshmark. So you can go on their website or download the app, and then you'll see my face on there. So you'll see all my old bags that I've sold and what's available right now. It'll take me a bit to post both of these, so stay tuned. It might take me a couple days because I've been really busy. But don't worry, I will have both of these up, more than likely both of them, by the end of the week. Maybe a couple days. So I just have a lot to do. But if you guys are interested, I'll put them at, you know, pretty good price. Maybe just a little bit less than what I paid for them, which is not full price. So, but yeah. Just let me know. Once again, yeah, my username is NFPDX556, and it's for Poshmark. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my what's in my bag video. And I have another unboxing, like I said, coming up, and it's something that's really practical. Another Judy unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.